Hey there, welcome back. Today we have the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus. And in this video I'll guide you through how to fix the Play Store not working and apps not downloading problem on your device. Follow all the steps carefully to restore app downloads without any errors. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and enable notifications. Now let's begin.